a master planned community that includes a significant technology industrial park and data center cluster. This program is extensive. It includes some, new community development as well, but the focus of our work really was on the large scale renewables co-located with the tech industrial park. As you can see on the second bullet there, it included up to potentially 2 gigawatts of renewables, because this customer in particular had a vast amount of land at their disposal that is slated for renewables development in conjunction with the built environment. And it's also near some existing utility scale generation and other resources where there's some collaboration happening to be able to bring load service to this significant new development and load. So getting into the solution set, our role on this program was really as the electric infrastructure program manager. So it spanned activities including transmission and interconnection strategy and analysis, of course, interfacing and dealing with all the stakeholders here in California to bring load service to this substantial new development. A deployment options assessment, of course, which we can get into a bit more depth here in the next slide. And then engagement with the development community, stakeholders, and others through transactional support, and ultimately helping this customer lay out a series of priorities in order to sequence the program. Next, we can move on. Okay, so just another snapshot here, and I might want to save a little bit of this for when Eric comes in the Q&A, because I know he was deeply embedded in this work. But really what I wanted to convey on this briefly here for the group was in the blue table there, the development options analysis, as it were. We ran many scenarios that included PPA-based deals, self-generation deals, combinations of those, combinations of different on-site technologies, and even production of derivatives such as hydrogen and fuel cells, and a myriad of other nuanced iterations in between the lines of each one of these, ultimately resulting in a pathway layout for the owner to consider how to approach the stakeholders on and the development community on power purchase and acquisition type of arrangements, and also, of course, their own development investments directly.